download the work and submit back again. So here's my assignment. I see my assignment here. I can open and download my assignment. Because it's on Google, so I can see here. But if I want to download, I can click on File, Download, and we can see it's a plain text. Then I can save it to my PC. Thus my assignment is open now. So it says quiz for human body. My first question is purpose of human heart, and I explain Then they give me another question, which is purpose of our brain, and I answer them to process the signal. Process the signal. The signal in purpose of oxygen for the human. To make the human body then the question is purpose for the lung. As a part of respiratory system, to make the soul breathe. Take in oxygen. The human body. The next question is, how many bones a human can have? So, as a student, I only write S206 bones. So, the next question asks me, how many joints a human body have? I only say it's 360 joints. When I complete my assignment, I can save this assignment as a save as to desktop and write quiz. Now I know that my file is saved on desktop and I can submit back to it. I can close this assignment. I can go back as a student and I can add or create. I can go to file because this file saved in my PC. I can upload, not click on edition. I said upload. I make sure that this is desktop version and desktop, and then I will find the quiz on human body, open and upload it. It's a little bit slow, but when it's uploaded you can see it. And you can